Oh, good morning, everyone. It is Friday, and my vlog today is going to start from in the car. So I did get some sound clips and some pics from Jack at Bespoke Motorwerke for my car. I can say I'm excited. I'm overly excited about picking up the car. However, happens to be a little bit of a downside to it. Not really on the sense of picking up the car, because one aspect I already knew going in, and plus I mentioned on the previous video that that I was having the wheels done there, so therefore they were out and they're getting powder coated, so they're not going to be back. So we're talking more like Monday or Tuesday maybe. The downside is that they did not get the basically the bypass pipes, or the front pipes and the X pipe as ordered. Now I have made contact with Kevin at ARMYTRIX USA, and he stated that it should have been in there. Definitely was on the invoice. I did check that, and even on the listing of the sticker outside the box, it lists that as one of the parts that should be in the box. So as we speak, he's actually doing some research on what's going on with why that part was not there. So at this time, the setup is just pretty much the back box or the exhaust sections. That part is there. So right now I don't have a section 1 and 2 from them. So again, he's doing some homework on that. I have listened to the exhaust clip. It sounds good. I do want it to scream. That is honestly why I'm spending the money on this system. So even though it does sound good, I would drive it maybe for a little while without it. But I don't know if I'm feeling what I heard. I could be wrong. It could be great sounding system, still performs well, but there's something about what I have listened to. If you go to the ARMYTRIX channel and just look at a couple of their videos, especially the Liberty Walk E92 M3, that thing sounds amazing. Now, to my knowledge, it was naturally aspirated, and it just was a tune and the full exhaust. If that's what I'm hearing, come on, Kevin, Finding Nick, y'all know what I'm talking about. That sound. Whew. Matter of fact, I'll put a link down in my in the description for the POV video that Finding Nick did, and the video that, or I guess it was like going to be a meetup that Life with KG did. man, those drive-bys or flybys or whatever you want to call those bys with the exhaust clips. Y'all go check that out. So enough with that tangent. Back to the car. Like I said, it is that is the downside to it right now. But the front lip spoiler is on. I haven't seen it with the I haven't seen it with the side skirts just yet. But again, everything is looking good. I can only imagine once the wheels are powder coated and done. Plus maybe one or two other things that we have discussed, Jack and I have discussed just this morning. So we shall see. We'll see how this plays out. But on the back side of things, hopefully we get everything worked out with ARMYTRIX USA. Not pointing any fault to anyone. And I have had great customer service with them. If there just was an oversight one way or the other, I mean, I've checked. We checked the boxes there at Bespoke Motorwerke. Nothing was there. As a matter of fact, the box was already tossed. Fortunately, I remembered to email them and let them know to save all of my OEM parts, and so I could use the box for that. So they did go back and retrieve the box, but with that said, there was nothing else there. So somewhere something happened that it didn't get into the box. Don't know what happened, so I'm not going to point blame either way. I am just looking forward to, I really just want the parts. I don't really want to do a refund or anything like that. The money was allocated for the exhaust. I want the exhaust. I want that crazy loud sound. And so let's just get it there. And the real reason I came is to get the filter. I'm getting ready to do the oil change on the 535 over this weekend. The other thing is, I'm looking at these mats. There's, you know, again, it's very, very snowy here and things like that. So the mats that are in there are carpet mats in horrible condition now with all the salt and everything else. I'm not saying that these won't get salty or dirty, but at least I can take them out at the car wash and then spray it down. So that actually is a better option. All right, so I did not end up getting the mats. So I'm just going to order them online through the accessory site, and I'll use my gift card there. But hey, what's up everybody? Man, it's been a couple of days. I actually had intended to put up an informational video on Saturday or Sunday. Kind of didn't happen had a few papers to do, things like that. As a matter of fact, I'm actually in our gym here at UW Parkside. Real windy outside. I'm actually getting ready to leave, take care of some business for the car, some registration stuff for 535i. I am going to pick up the M3 today, so I'm pretty stoked, pretty excited. I think I was dreaming about the car last night as if it was Christmas Eve, so I'm really looking forward to that. So what may happen today is I might go ahead and just upload a video with some of the information I had already. I don't want to do that one plus the reveal of the car today. I don't think I do, because I don't want it to be a long video. So what I may do is chop it up, have some stuff from the from picking it up today, maybe a little bit of some sound clips, things like that, and then roll into maybe after driving it a few days, because we're supposed to hit 60 degrees here in the next couple of days, so I am overly excited. So again, being here to the Midwest, cold weather, snow, all of that craziness, we're finally breaking out a little bit to finally feel like some spring weather. So I am excited about that. So just in case this is the last bit of today, but like I said, I may just go ahead and put some on the end. But just in case this is the last bit, let me just say, hey, thank you to the servicemen and women, my active duty guys, my fellow veterans. I salute you, I appreciate you, and definitely you guys stay safe. Just get ready for the warm weather wherever you are. Have a great time, and keep driving. All right, guys, I told you I was going to be here today. I'm here. Jack, I appreciate it. We've taken care of business. Just talking just right now. And what's your name, sir? Bill. Bill? Antoine, pleasure to meet you. So we're out here with the car. Here's the first reveal of it. Y'all already seen from the clips what it was going to be. It looks great. We'll start it up here in just a moment, get a cold start.